Hi friends! I'm here with another story and my other dog, Ace, A-C-E, Ace. Oh, I think the other dog just heard me talking about this dog. Okay, so our next book up is called Clack Good Night. Good night. Good night. Here it is. Here's Ruby. Okay, everyone. Here's our first picture. See the cows? The cows. Okay. Oh, there's our picture. Great. It says, it is nighttime. It's nighttime on the farm. Everyone is tired. It's time to relax, unwind, and unplug. Oh, Ruby's just gonna walk by there. Okay. The cows are ready for bed. Go to bed. Farmer Brown pats their heads and turns out the cow light. We're gonna turn out the light. The light. Okay? The cow light. Oh, there's the cows. The cows in the dark, sound asleep. All right, so next up is the sheep. So we have the sheep are ready for bed. Farmer Brown brushes out their tangles and turns out the sheep light. Then there's the pictures there. So the sheep are in the dark and they're sound asleep. Oh, the chickens. Here's our picture. So the chickens, the birds that peck on the ground, okay? The chickens are ready for bed. Farmer Brown covers them with a blanket and he turns on, for these guys, he turns on their chicken light. There they are with their night light on. Okay, the chickens are in the dark and they are sound asleep. Oh, there's the duck. What's he doing? But the duck is not quite ready for bed. No, he's not. So what does it look like he's going to do? Farmer Brown here is going to sing him a song. And he's going to read him a book. And he turns on the white noise machine, of course, and puts on a shadow puppet show. Oh, that's sweet. But the duck is wide awake. Farmer Brown. Okay. Farmer Brown practices downward facing dog with him. He does yoga with him. And he discusses the day's top news stories. Of course, he debates the day's top news stories. And then he turns out the duck light. Farmer Brown is in the dark. Farmer Brown is in the dark, sound asleep. And the duck is still wide awake. There's the duck. And then there's the farmer. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen here. So the duck tries to sleep like the cows, but it's too crowded. The duck tries to sleep like a sheep, but it's too soft. And And then the last one says, duck tries to sleep like a chicken, but it's too bright. So duck finds, oh hi Ruby, beep beep Ruby. There. Duck finds a soft spot under the maple tree. There's no cows. There's no sheep. There's no chickens. It's not too soft. It's not too crowded. And the moonlight is just right. Beep, 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 your bum. The moonlight is just right. So Duck closes his eyes. Here he is. Oh no, what's going to be in the tree? The bats in the tree are wide awake. So that didn't work out quite so well. All right, so now Duck finds a spot by the pond. There's no cows, there's no sheep, there's no chickens, and there's no bats. It's not too soft, it's not too crowded, there's no chit-chat chittering, and the moonlight is still just right. So let's see. Duck closes his eyes. The frogs in the pond now are wide awake. There they are. Boom, 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 boom. Duck's not having any luck. Okay, Duck knows a spot. Let's see what he's gonna do. There's no cows in the new spot. There's no sheep. There's no chickens. There's no bats. There's no frogs. Duck also knows where Farmer Brown keeps the hot sauce, the sliced cheese, and the whole wheat bread. I guess he's going in for a little snack, something to eat. All right, finally, look what's happened here. His stomach is full. The mattress is firm. The book is just right. Farmer Brown's pajamas, his bedclothes, are soft. The moonlight shines in through the window. Duck closes his eyes. Duck closes his eyes. Oh, look at what's going to happen here. And then it says, Duck in the dark, sound asleep. But look who's wide awake at the end of the bed. It's Farmer Brown. This one's called Clack Good Night. Good night, friends.